vast wilderness animals lived together, each with their unique ways of surviving. Early in the morning, the mighty lion roared, climbing his tall tree. Nearby, a herd of elephants marched across the savannah, protecting their young. Up in the treetops, a clever monkey swung through the branches, while on the ground, a cheetah crouched low, ready to chase a gazelle. A peaceful giraffe nibbled leaves from tall trees, and as night fell, a pack of wolves howled under the moonlight. In the jungle, a colorful parrot called to its flock, while a strong rhinoceros stomped through the forest. On the plains, a family of zebras raced together, their steps blending in motion, while a silent crocodile lurked in the river. Nearby, playful meerkats popped out of their burrows, scanning the area for safety. For in the Arctic, a polar bear trudged through the snow, and high above the mountains, a majestic eagle soared. In the desert, a camel walked slowly across the dunes, and at dusk, a curious fox crept through the forest, its fur glowing in the evening light. Though different, these wild animals lived in harmony, each playing their role in the balance of nature. The wilderness was a piece of beauty, strength, and survival.